Hello everyone! In our today's video, we are going to cover cheekbone muscles. These muscles consist of smaller and bigger cheekbone muscles. Their main function is moving corners of your lips to the side and upwards. This way, smile appears on your face. On the one side, cheekbone muscle is attached to the cheekbone, and on the other side, it is attached to the circular muscle of your mouth and skin around the corners of your lips. When you smile, this muscle pulls corners of your lips diagonally to your temples. When those muscles are contracted, you may notice appearance of the wrinkles in the corners of your eyes, so-called crow feet wrinkles. But if you don't use those muscles often and quite often experience sad emotions, then your cheekbone muscles would get weaker and will move down your face, pulling your skin with them. It also interrupts blood circulation of the middle part of your face. All of that results in change of the proportions of your face, which can be noticed, for example, in formation of bulldog cheeks that you possibly never had before. Nasolabial fold elongates and corners of your lips go down. Throughout my work experience, I have noticed that clients who smile more have a more obvious nasolabial fold, but they still have enough volume in the cheekbone area. People who are often sad have flat cheeks, different type of nasolabial fold, and corners of your lips are looking down. I would rather prefer to have crow feet wrinkles. Totally agree with you, just looks happier. So what are going to be the things that we need to do in order to keep the strength and volume of the cheekbone muscles? First, we're going to use active point massage technique, tackling the place of the muscles attachment. Place your fingers on the highest point of your cheekbone. For stabilizing, put your thumb under the corner of your lower jaw. Press your fingers. Stay in this position for 2 to 3 seconds and release. Then move your fingers to the next place. Press and release and move your fingers. Repeat this exercise. With this exercise, you improve circulation in both muscles and cheekbones. Next is rubbing technique, which should be done across the muscle tissue. This exercise is good for both overly contracted and weak muscles. Grab a fold of tissue together with the muscle between your fingers and rub it between your fingers. As soon as the fold gets away from your fingers, move them to the next area and continue with the exercise. Now repeat the whole exercise again. Next, we are going to exercise cheekbone muscles using one technique out of face gymnastics. Fold your lips around your teeth. With your hands, keep your skin in place, preventing unwanted wrinkles, and pull corners of your lips up, doing 20 repetitions. After that, bring your cheekbone muscles to their normal length. For that, place the base of your palm on your cheekbone and pull the tissues up. After that, you're going to open your mouth, forming an oval shape. You should feel how your muscle is stretching. Do 10 repetitions. And after that, repeat the previous exercise. Fold your lips around your teeth with your hands keeping the skin in place and pull corners of your lips up. Now back to elongating the cheekbone muscle. Place base of your palm on your cheekbones. Pull the tissues up and form an oval shape with your mouth. To exercise your cheekbone muscles a bit more, form an oval shape with your mouth and go on tapping over this muscle. This complex you can do 3 to 4 times a week for 2 weeks. After that, moving on to the maintenance mode, doing it 2 to 3 times a week. If you found this video useful, subscribe to our channel, give it thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to click the bell in order to follow all of our latest videos.